Hi, I'm Christina Coyle. I work with franchise and multi-unit brands that are ready to transform their talent ecosystem from the front line up. Across QSR, for instance, whether you're running 15 units of one brand or maybe 1,500 across several brands, I've seen the same pattern. Complex systems, constant pressure around day part, and leaders who care deeply about people but often lack the frameworks, the support, and the cross-functional alignment to actually make frontline talent work optimally as designed. And that's why designing the right field-first talent framework, it isn't just helpful, it's the differentiator. It's the difference between reactive hiring, high turnover, bleeding overtime spend, and having a resilient workforce. An engine that supports shift leads, grows GMs, and creates mobility pathways that keep great people longer and even make them greater. So point one, clarify the operational impact of talent. Start by reframing talent and people metrics as an operational lever, not an HR task, not an HR metric. In franchise systems, hiring touches everything: drive-through speed, guest experience, turnover costs, new store openings, average check size, food safety, comps, even remodel readiness. Help your C-suite and brand leadership see the through line between workforce strength and unit performance. Use metrics that they care about, how they speak, retention by role, time to proficiency in role, promotion velocity, internal fill rates, and pair them with stories from the field. In a low-margin industry like QSR, modest improvements in new hire time to productivity and field retention can have major lift to EBITDA. When leaders understand how people power the operation, you can begin designing for the outcomes that truly matter. Point two, build your field-first coalition. Great talent advisory isn't built in a conference room, it's built with operators out in the field. Identify your core circles: a director of ops or VP of ops, franchise business partners, training leadership, a mix of high-performing GMs and shift supervisors. And finance, get your finance team, get the analytics in to anchor the ROI. Bring them into monthly rhythm meetings, not to review dashboards or listen to a readout, but to co-create solutions, map pain points, stress test initiatives, align on what ready talent really means from a front of the house, back of the house, and multi-unit lens. When ops ownership feels that talent is a shared priority, then it's far more than a policy push from the outside. Point three, design for agility, mobility, and accountability. In QSR, agility wins. Your talent framework should operate like a field command center, tight, adaptive, and grounded in real-world constraints. Use it to pilot faster, to pressure test hiring workflows, to spot emerging skill gaps. Refine coaching expectations for shift leaders. Align on career paths that actually work inside a 6 to 8 week turnover cycle. And critically, track mobility. When internal promotions increase, retention stabilizes, culture strengthens, and staffing stops feeling like a crisis. This is how talent stops being episodic and becomes systemic. In closing, designing a field-first talent flywheel, it isn't about meetings, it's about momentum. And it's how brands shift from filling roles to developing people, from firefighting to foresight, from compliance-driven HR to an ecosystem where every leader, from shift supervisor to area coach, area VP, knows how to grow and keep great talent. Let's reimagine what's possible for QSR when we build systems that put the field first, because when the front line is supported, everything else gets better.